If you find yourself in the market for a furnace, whether due to a breakdown or just basically being proactive, there's 3 solutions we have for you. You can always buy a furnace from us, as you have for the last almost 70 years. If you're interested in making monthly payments and a financial obligation, that's available as well. Or you can make monthly rental payments in which we would take care of your equipment for you on a monthly basis. The choice simply is yours. Feel free to call us for a sales estimate at 905-527-1049 or visit us at www.hamco.ca.